We're on the record in clause number 327114. This case is style of state of Texas versus Ashton Vondre Spearman. Is that your correct name?
Yes, that's correct.
How you doing, Mr. Spearman?
I'm doing good. How you doing, sir?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Spearman. Uh, you have a case unlawfully carrying a weapon charge in this particular court, which is a class A misdemeanor. Now, as a defendant in a criminal case, you have three options. Do you see that on the form that we've just handed out to you, which is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without an Attorney? That's right above number one.
Yes, sir, I see it.
All right. I will go over this document with you. Number one, you may hire an attorney. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Number two, if you do not have enough money to hire an attorney, you may request an attorney be appointed to represent you. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Number three, you may represent yourself. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
If you want an attorney to represent you and have enough money to hire an attorney, the case will be reset to give you time to do so. If you want an attorney and do not have the money to hire one, you will need to fill out a financial questionnaire so that the proper person can determine whether or not to appoint an attorney to represent you. You may not speak to the prosecutor about your case unless you sign a written waiver of your right to be represented by an attorney. Be aware that there are dangers to self-representation. Waiving your right to an attorney and representing yourself may result in a worse outcome for you and your case, including the loss of significant legal rights and opportunities relating to military service, possession of a firearm, housing and public benefits, child custody, immigration status for non-citizens, and employment. If you choose to proceed without an attorney, you may change your mind at any time and may request counsel from the court. At the bottom of this document, it states defendant's choice. Mark initials next to only one choice. If your choice is I want to reset this case to hire my own attorney, then you'll put your initials on the first line to the left. If your choice is I have hired an attorney whose name is, then you'll put your initials on the second line to the left and the name of the attorney on the line to the right. If your choice is I want to apply for court appointed counsel, then you'll put your initials on the third line to the left. If your choice is I have a court appointed attorney whose name is, then you'll put your initials on the fourth line to the left and the name of the attorney on the line to the right. If your choice is I want to waive my right to be to an attorney and represent myself, then you'll put your initials on the fifth line to the left. Mr. Spearman, do you understand your choices?
Yes, I do.
Okay, if you have a pen, please make your choice, and once you make your choice, you will sign on the line that says defendant, and you put today's date, March 12th of 2021.